I wanted to make a really short video to demonstrate the print quality of my new Ender 3 Pro here. This is fresh off the printer. It's in PLA, printed at 218 degrees. I didn't do any cleanup or anything on it, and the ones that I've been printing in PTEG had a lot of boogering and all kinds of retraction issues. With this, I had the retraction set at I think 2800 and 5 millimeters, and it just printed perfectly. I mean, if you can look, the edges, the smoothness of it, there's no stringing anywhere. I swear I didn't touch this. I just popped it off the printer, which is super easy with the magnetic bed, and so I could not be happier with this. Other things I've printed, for instance, here is the PTEG part, and I had to clean this up quite a bit to get it to this point, and it still needs sanding. There's still little imperfections and little places where it's, not smooth, and, all these take a lot of work to get them really usable, unfortunately. The material is really tough, super strong, but man, it really causes issues with the extruder. But I have not printed PTEG on this one yet. I'm keeping it at lower temperatures until I run out of PLA, and then I'll throw some PTEG. I've got some Kodak purple clear that I want to try out, which will look pretty good. But I just wanted to show what amazing quality this does. I don't know if you can pick up, you can see the edges and just how nice it is. And this is like the second thing that I printed after just initial setup. I haven't tweaked anything. I just took my G code that I had for my other printer, threw it in here, and boom, this is what I got. I mean, how good can that get? Alright, thanks a lot for viewing.